Hi, welcome to the OPOLab. This is the class OSSD Grade 10 Payment 2D, Chapter 6, Quadratic Equations, Section 6.6, Solving problems using quadratic models. So in this section, we're going to talk about how to solve some complicated questions to include with the quadratic equations and relations. Let's see the first examples. The first examples, we have the vertex for 2, -9, and y root x1 equal to 5. We need to find the relations. So we already draw the graph here. So vertex is x equal 2 and y. So this line is equal to 2 and xy equals to 5. So we can easily get this one x2 equal to, for this distance we use the 3, is the 5 times 2 equal to 3. And 2 times the -3 is equal to -1. Okay, so we can easily get the vector form, right? And we can put the 2 -9 here. So we can get a equal to 1. So the final answer is x minus 5 times x plus 1. That's the sixth one. Second one is we know the 2 of roots for this one at the vertex y is equal to -18. So we can also use when we know the 2 roots, we can use the vector form. Now we can get the excess of sum 3 equal to y plus 7 over 2 equal to 4. So we can know that so we can get equals to 2. So the final answer is y equal to 2 times x minus 1. Okay. Now we have the y state form and y vertex. When we know the vertex, we can use the formula. Equal to -b over 2a. We can plug it to here where this y a equals to 1, s equals to 5. So we can get the b equal to -6. Next one. You know the vertex and the through and the point, so we can write out here vertex form. Right, and then we put the 3/6 here. So we can solve it a equal to 2. So final answer is the y equal to x minus y squared minus 2. Okay, the other one is the y state form. We already know the y root. We need to find the other root. Method y is you can write the Expect that. So we know that this y is equals to, so r equal to 5. So the vector form is y equal to x minus 2 minus times x minus 5. Okay. We have the C question left. We have the vector form. We need to find out the vertex form. So we already familiar with is that to calculate the symmetry, just y plus 5 over 2 equal to 3. We can plot it here to go back to y. Okay, the final answer for so the final answer is 3 negative 8. Okay, next we have the C term. We need to get the solution. So we already know that this y is the 8th step. So we can know that if I use the 6th one is the now we try to solve this linear equation system. So at the final set, after set, you can solve it by yourself. So we can directly get a equal to 3 and b equal to negative 4. So the final answer is y equal to 3. This one. Okay. Now the final one is to use the form 3 and find 2 roots. So for vertex form is this one. Okay, put the 0 negative 8 here. And then equal to a equal to 4. So we can finally expect it equal to get 4x bar minus 6x plus 8. Just to solve this question for 4. Now we can calculate the determinant and calculate the x. So we can get final answer is x y equal to 2 plus root 2 and x 2 equal to 2 minus root 2. Okay. So that's the end of this section.